Hello students, welcome to online session. We were doing linear equation in one variable in that exercise 3.2. So let us see the seventh sum now. Okay. The sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So you already know what consecutive numbers are, right? In the previous sum we have done. Now you have to find out consecutive multiples of 8. So what are the multiples of 8? So it is 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, like this it goes on. Right? It's nothing but your 8 times table. So these are the multiples of 8. Now we have to find out in this the three consecutive multiples. That is one after the other, some multiples which we don't know, which when you add up it comes to 888. Okay. So now let's start doing the sum. Solution. Let the three consecutive multiples of 8 be 8x. Okay. Because we don't know which number is that. So I'm taking this unknown number multiplied by 8 because it's a multiple of 8. So what will be the next number? You have to add 8 to this number. Remember? So when you want to get 16, you added 8 to this number, right? That's how we got this next number, multiples of 8. The same way here also, the next number will be 8x plus 8 and the other next number will be 8x plus 16. You're adding again 8 to this number. It becomes 16. Understood? 8x plus 8 plus 8 becomes 8x plus 16. So these are the three consecutive multiples of 8. Okay. Now we will add all these things because they've given that the sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So according to this statement, it is 8x plus 8 plus this 8x plus 16 will be equal to 888. So now once you got this expression, rest solving this will be easy. So first we will segregate all the like terms. 8x plus 8x plus 8x gives you 24x. Right? Now add all these things. The constants. 8 plus 16. 8 plus 16 is 24. So this is equal to 888. Okay. Now what is the next step? You have to transpose this 24 to the other side of the equation because it is a constant. So we are going to shift this 24, it becomes minus 24. So what is 884 minus 24? 8 minus 4 is 4, 8 minus 2 is 6 and then 8. So 24x is equal to 864. You understood this much, children? So now we are going to shift this 24 to the other side. How do we do that? Now it is associated as multiplication. It's a multiplicand here. 24 into x. So when this goes to the other side, it becomes a divisor. So it is 864 divided by 24. This 24 I have taken to the other side as a divisor. Now simplify this. Okay. 4 6 4 2 4 1 4 6 again. Can we further simplify this? I'll write down this once again. So this has come to 216 by 6. Further, if you simplify 6 1s are 6 3s are 18. So 21 minus 18 is 3. So 36. 6 6 are 36. So the answer is 36. So the value of x is 36. Understood? Now you have to substitute the value of this x over here in these places. So our answer 8x is equal to 8 into 36. How much is that? 1 second. Yeah. 8 6 are 48. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4, 28. So 8x got the value. We got the value of 8x as 288. Then 8x plus 8. We already know what is 8x. 288 plus 8. How much is this? So 8 plus 8 is 16. 1 carry, 9. Then comes 2. So the value of the next number is 296. Then we will find out 8x plus 16. That is 288 plus 16. You just have to add 8 to this. That is 304. So these are the 3 consecutive multiples of 8. So when you add all these things, all these numbers, you should get 88. So verify, children, whether these answers are correct or not. Okay, these are the answers. Okay. You can write down here. Okay, answers 288, 296 and 304. Understand?